10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition and liftoff. N.V.Scope. Go Falcon, go Cosmo.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Pad 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, carrying the Cosmo SkyMed satellite to a polar sun synchronous orbit.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Now during ascent we tilt the engines, and that's what we call gimbaling, and that turns the rocket horizontally. That's what we call a gravity turn. We're still going up, but we're now also heading horizontally away from the launch pad. The rocket typically needs to go
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
We need to go about 17,500 miles per hour horizontally in order to avoid being pulled back down to Earth.
Max Q.
And there we heard the call out for Max Q. We have now passed through the maximum aerodynamic pressure. This is the largest structural load on the vehicle.
Now she's burning down.
At landing zone 1, this is
Falling down. Yes, Nancy, she's seeing that.
We need 3 burns to get
They're
us
not
there.
seeing that from that
We've
corner.
already completed the boost back burn, and we're coming up on the entry burn here in just under 30 seconds.
It went back out, but yep, now it's going to fall, but it's going right back where it took off.
Stage 2 is still looking great. On your right-hand screen is a view of the NVAC engine on the second stage.
Yeah, it's over.
We'll get your info.
That was awesome.
Stage 1, entry burn startup.
That was cool.
You can visually see on your screen that the entry burn has begun on the first stage. Again, this helps to slow the vehicle down as it re-enters back into the Earth's atmosphere. It's only about a 20-second burn.
I'd been prepared.
There it is, back down again.
Oh, yeah.
Right
And we
towards
heard
the
that call
bottom.
out for
Now it's down. That was cool.
heard the call out that the entry burn has completed, and you can see that the engines have shut down on your left-hand screen. That is 2 of the 3 burns. The last burn will be the landing burn. You can see in the background of your left.
FTS has saved.
I got the rocket again.
You did get the rocket?
I got the rocket right now. Oh, you do?
He'll put it right here.
Good call outs there, and you can see the land in the background view of the first stage as it's making its way back to landing zone 1.
Look at that. It's all right. That first stage is almost landing this shit.
Yep.
Yeah, totally.
Stage 1, landing burn.
Tilly will tell her all about it tonight. Tilly watched it too.
The landing burn, wow, incredible views of this landing burn of
Yeah,
this
it's gone.
first stage.
It's gone.
See if we can touch down on landing zone 1 today.
Touchdown landing zone 1.
And they'll have that probably on cam. And look at that. Look at that. He's not watching, but look at that come right back down. Look at that. Down.
Yeah.
Landed. That one we seen go back.
Are you watching it on the SpaceX?
Look at it touch down.
An incredible sight to see